I have to propose to you guys. When I'm going on, I'm not going to be so to say by the time I thank you, not to learn so much, right? So I have to really learn to learn. Thank you, Mr. Peace. Shouting is going to be somebody to have to.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming today. My name is Drusilla Nakamadi Mayanja. I'm a first-born child of the Mayanja. These are my little sisters, Habibi, Jasmine, Audrey. This is my brother, Paul. Daddy loved all of us. Daddy made sure we never know. Daddy always provided. Daddy was my best friend. He was my friend. There was nothing I couldn't tell my father. Eventually, the last moments, nothing. I remember vividly the Sunday, Sunday, but Sunday, I gave you a kind of mulava. And we joked, and that was the last good memory I remember because we were in so much pain. Gatayagala kujja akoye kabagamba akoye mundeke ngamba that you have to fight and you kept asking but what for? I'm tired. I don't have much to say. Most of it has been said, but I would like to thank these friends because when we are the first time Uncle Pinanga, Uncle Pass, Nangamba, Patata, Wasingo Bamanya. Creating our WhatsApp group so that you update them and they offer any help. Now in our number, I think I had like only 5 contacts. I created that group, but very well, there were over 200 people that have been helping, they have been sending money, they have been sending things, food, they have really helped, and I'm so grateful to all of you. Thank you so much. We wouldn't have gone through this situation without you. And I would like to offer special thanks to Shamira Taliwo. Yalinenda Dingali, last days, one of the Twalieno, but then the Adeli, and one day, Akulakimo, and Yalimoni by Shamira Yamulamila. Shamira, thank you so much, and pray for you to come. Whoever you know,
balungi totandika so obudde bajja tukuba bampa
genda mu kuziika enkya omugenzi wagenda okwangaganizibwa ku bijja byabajjajjaabe
mu maka ge ag'olubeerera
kalangaalo so tujja kumanya n'abaana batuwerekeddeko nja kubaayo personally then njenja okuba nzijja ku show personal kwanga mbatuusaako full time coverage twagala okwebaza Masi olw'omulimu gwakola ogw'ettendo ennyo. I appreciate you Masi. I know wherever I may not be watching because emisana onna tusibye tutawuka tunoonya mboozi eno n'eri but we want to appreciate you Masi so much for the good job you do for this show.
Masa kirina ebbina
njagala
okuba nga nkwebaza okuva gye okwekumira ku TV okuva gye twatandikidde paka gye tukomye, era njagala okuba nga ntumilako ku Spy ne family yonna mission. By the way, ayina mission changing lives. Omwana oyo ayamba abaana nnyo era njagala okuba nga ntumirako ku maka ga Rodini gona bwetuuka bwetisho bagamba anti munange ansisita
Katwebaze Devi inside naye olw'omulimu gwakola ogwakwe producer waffe twebaze Gats MC abeerawo kubanga akyusakyusa twebaze ne Martinez abeerawo naye okubanga akwasaganya ebisonga naye nzija bane ye producer yasembayo
nkumanyi
nkoze ekyasembayo ne producer waffe omwagalwa ennyo Bright P naye amannyo gamuluma ne katumusabire
ne mukama waffe wali 2
ebyo jja byeyogerera tugenda kunteekako awama namagindako okutujjayo nkyayogerera hijabs nkutumiddeko nnyo okuha mugendwa naye mugule hijabu muguleko hijabu n'amakanzu mutugenda mu Eid toyambala bubi genda ewa Ami hijabs obeere nga ate kino kikwasaganya bulungi nnyo ne Ami soaps mutuwagire tobeere nga ate sabbuuni wetuwanguza amakanzu tuwanguza n'ebyoza okubanga ate Eid mugigamu nga muli balongoofu nnyo so ekyo tubadde nze Kabaka Smith
luli babadde luyimba ki
Dulwa
luli olimba ne babadde
hello darling